Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the WhatsApp group invitation link. Now you might want to learn how to find a WhatsApp group invitation link if you've been invited to a group but misplaced the link, or if you're looking to share the link with someone else to help them join. It's a quick and easy way to get others connected without needing to send personal invites one by one. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end to learn exactly how to find your WhatsApp group invitation link. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the app. As you can see, I don't have many chats, but you'll see all of your chats here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is actually locate the group that you're going to want to send a link out of. So I made a test group right here. So if this was the group that I wanted to share, the first thing I would do is click the group name at the top. And then I would scroll down until you see the members. And once you see the members, you know you're in the right place. You can see two options. You can do add members. So whenever you click that, you can add people from your contacts, or you can invite them via the link. So if you do that, you can share the link via WhatsApp. You can share the link itself. You can copy the link, and then you can also get a QR code that will be super simple to share the link. And that's really all there is to it if you were looking to share the link to a WhatsApp group. So now that we just went over the steps, here are a couple tips that you can keep in mind. Be careful who you share the link with. If you're an admin, only share the group link with trusted people to prevent unwanted members from joining. Group settings matter. If your group has restricted settings like only admins can send messages, check the settings to control how people interact in the group. You can also revoke the link. If you think the link has been shared with like too many people, or if you want to make only a certain set of people join, you can always revoke the current link and generate a new one. So that's really all I have for this tutorial. I really hope that this was helpful in finding your group invitation link on WhatsApp. If it was, please be sure to like the video, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe for more future tutorials.